I'm going to teach you how to make homemade pizza. Please continue watching. A dough, paste, minced meat, cheese, and some toppings. So before we start this, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Diana Creatives. We love you so much. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of yeast. This is for the dough. We will also need water and flour. So you mix all this in a bowl. You can use your hands. It's easy to use your hands. Then add water, then continue making a dough with your hands. So today did not welcome you very well. Hello everybody, welcome to Diana Creatives, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing on the red button down below. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment on anything, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. So we are going to continue with our video. So as you make this dough, ensure it's a soft dough. So once we are done with this, we are going to leave it for about an hour for it to leaven, because remember it has yeast. So you just cover it and leave it. Step 2 is the paste. So for this, you will need garlic. This is optional. You will need tomatoes. You will need onions. So we are going to chop the onions, the garlic, and the tomatoes. So here I'm using 1 onion and 3 tomatoes. Garlics are optional, so I just put them just like that. And also add any flavorings that you would like. You can chop the tomatoes any size. And now we are going to fry them. We will put onions, then oil, then we shall put our tomatoes. So as you are putting the tomatoes, ensure you pound. Kubonda bonda, I don't know how to call it in English. Bonda bonda tu hizo tomatoes. Step 3 is the minced meat. You're going to boil it, then fry it, and it will be okay and lovely. Step 3 is the cheese. So here you grate the cheese. Mine is already grated. I had already done that before. Back to our dough. So we are going to roll it on a pastry board using a rolling pin, and it should be thin. This thin. So we are going to oil our baking tray. We are going to use the oven. Then place our dough on the baking tray. Ensure that it lies well in the baking tray. Just spread it well. Now we get our paste. You apply it smoothly. Ensure that the paste is evenly distributed to each and every part of the dough. This is our cheese. We're just going to sprinkle the cheese on the dough. This is our minced meat. We just sprinkle all of it in and ensure that each and every part has the minced meat. Back to our cheese again, you sprinkle it on the minced meat. And for the final step, we're going to need toppings, and we're going to need red, green and red pepper, and just sprinkle them on your pizza. It's about to be a pizza, okay? We are done with everything, just to put it on the oven. So this is how it looks. So you put 180 degrees Celsius, then at least for 5 to 10 minutes. It's done, my people, it's done, and it really looks great and it's really sweet. So here is our pizza. I hope you enjoy making one at home. I'm sorry for those who don't have an oven. You can place it on a pan on low heat, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this festive season. Please don't forget to like, share and also comment, also to subscribe.